How to make money on YouTube fast, without making videos in 2021, meditation and relaxation. If you would like to learn how to make money on YouTube fast, without making videos, using the meditation or relaxation niche, then you're just in the right place. If you search for meditation on YouTube, you will find so many channels, with incredible numbers of subscribers. But if you ask what these people actually do to get those subscribers, you will be surprised to learn that they just make simple, easy meditation videos. Today I'm showing you how you can easily do it too. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, "I subscribed," to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money-making programs on the internet. As promised in the previous video, 25 YouTube niches to make money without showing your face. You can find the link in the description if you haven't watched it. I am here to fulfill that promise to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos using the meditation or relaxation niche. As I said before, if you search for meditation on YouTube, you will find channels with high numbers of subscribers. Watch a few of these videos to learn and make notes on how meditation videos messages are composed. This is proof that there's a market for these types of videos. Go to a few of such channels. Now let me show you how easy it is to make these videos. So you can find these backgrounds on marketplaces like pixabay.com, where you can find these kind of videos for free or at a minimal subscription cost. So when you go to these different marketplaces, you will find these background videos and images. Then, create your own meditation relaxation message, and do a voiceover on top of the videos. Now I want you to look at how much money these kind of channels make. Later on, we shall see the different ways we can monetize channels like this. According to Social Blade, just from ads alone, you can see the views and money they make. But they are actually making more money, using other different monetization methods. To get those views, they just put some background music on a video, with some stock clips or stock images on top of the video, sometimes with a voice here and there. And then make a video an hour, 2 or 3 up to 10 hours long. Most of these channels don't show their faces. Now the reason these channels are doing so good, and getting so many subscribers a day, or even more views on some days on their YouTube channels, is because of how frequently that they're uploading, compared to other YouTube channels in the meditation niche. Now, it is time to learn how to make money on YouTube fast without making videos. To start off, search for the keyword meditation on YouTube. Start by watching some meditation channels on YouTube. Then, write down similar meditations, and record them yourself. Find some royalty-free stock footage from Pexel. Find royalty-free background music from YouTube or any other free source. In order to appear in the search results or suggested videos, all you have to do is get into some of these keywords. If you can implement similar metadata, you can easily blow up on YouTube. So, you need to find high search volume, low competition keywords, and implement similar metadata. This is given by the tool VDIQ. You will then get the traffic, which is mainly search traffic for the suggested videos. This is how you will blow channels up on YouTube. Make sure you watch to the end, to see how I monetize my videos. Now, let me show you some alternative monetization methods that you can do other than relying on ad revenue. In fact, this is what I am referring to when I say, make money on YouTube fast, because you will monetize faster, and will earn as an affiliate, even before receiving ads revenue. And surprisingly, you can earn so much higher than your income from ads revenue. To monetize faster, you just need to market a digital product that can rhyme with your niche. So, for this channel you can find products like meditations, meditation tutorials, online courses, and other packages of this nature that you can sell as an affiliate. For the many people who will watch your meditation videos, a percentage of them will be willing to pay a little money for a course, music, or something else. There's so many different ways you can sell meditations on your video. You can even sell an online course on how to meditate effectively. Now that you understand how well these channels are doing, let's take a look at some more of these channels right here. I can assure you that you can make a lot more money from selling your products or other people's stuff from your YouTube channel than from ads. And you don't have to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, which may take some time, especially if you are new on YouTube or internet business. So, if you don't yet have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time, just relax and work diligently. You can easily monetize your YouTube channels using affiliate marketing or selling your own products. On these channels, you will be selling audio meditations among many other things. You can also sell spiritual clothing, Christian ornamentals, necklaces, audio healing. All these you can find on ClickBank. The choice is yours. Learn how to make money on ClickBank from the playlist, link in the description below. As you can see, you can always use affiliate marketing to sell products you may not even know, as long as they are trusted and have a good reputation. This is normally evidenced by searching by gravity. Such products are from trusted companies like Amazon and ClickBank. However, if you can teach anything to someone, you will be better off making an online course, thereby earning much more. But even if you can't make your own, there are courses you can promote and get a commission through affiliate links. Now, if you didn't know, you can easily outsource these types of channels. This is an added advantage which doesn't require you to show your face in the video. To do this, go to Google and search for a website called Fiverr. This is where you can find professionals willing to do various jobs at $5 only. It is actually a marketplace for businesses. If you decide to buy meditation, write meditation for commercial use in the search. If you don't want to do a voiceover for your videos, you could also pay someone to do it for you. Or, you could do it yourself by using a simple recorder. In fact, if you are just beginning or working on a strict budget, a smartphone does a good job, and later, you can transfer the audio to your video editor. But if you have no money to invest on YouTube business, you can do the whole process yourself as well. Start by watching some meditation channels on YouTube. Then, write down similar meditations, and record them yourself. Find some royalty-free stock footage from Pexel and others. Find royalty-free background music from YouTube or any other free source. I hope now you are convinced that it is possible to make money without showing your face on the meditation niche. However, you don't need to compete with these channels because they are not doing the videos themselves. They outsource and use teams to produce those many videos. If you have the money to invest, go ahead, but if you do not, start at your own pace but be consistent and committed. Remember that, you can do this yourself to start with, but when you start making some money from your channel, you can reinvest it back and scale up. As you may have realized, our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free. So, for more ideas on making money on the internet, if you haven't, click subscribe and thumbs up to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. Thank you. So, let us continue. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can make money on YouTube without making videos through the meditation niche. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching.